Hey everybody, Josh from Populi here, and can I have your kind attention please, because we have a big ol' update to admissions in Populi. First, on applications, you now have conditional fields and pages, some other new fields and features, and we'll have a look at that in a second. Also, we have an update to inquiries. Inquiries are now much more customizable. Since I just mentioned inquiries, let's cover those first. We'll go to admissions, settings, and then inquiry forms. We used to keep inquiries very constrained. Basically, the idea is that you want them to be brief and easy to submit so that you can gather as many as possible. That's all going out the window now, since you can make them long and complicated and obnoxious. That's a joke, obviously. The point is that inquiries can now use many of the same features as the application. Nothing to sneeze at, so please don't sneeze at it. That's not allowed. What is allowed is moving on to the updates to applications. We'll see these under admissions, over in settings, and then application forms, and then within an application. If you've designed an application in Populi before now, you'll know that it was one long scroll. You couldn't break it up into paged sections. Well, guess what? Did you guess that you can? Because now you can. You set a new page, and then applicants can navigate using the back and continue buttons. Conditional fields allow you to hide designated fields until an applicant enters a reply that opens them up. So let's say you don't want to show all the fields for dorm options to applicants who are planning to live off campus. Conditional fields allow you to only display those fields to applicants who answer yes to the question, do you plan on living in on-campus housing? We've got some other new application features as well. Hidden fields, these are fields for admissions office use only that students can't see on an application. And we now have multiple file upload and signature field types built into applications. There's a blog post up that covers the update in greater detail. That's linked in the description below. Also, we'll be releasing videos about the updates that dig into how these features work. You can watch for those on the YouTube channel or in the notifications in Populi. Thanks for watching, and thanks for using Populi.